Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove face unlock in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. Suppose if you have set face unlock in your phone at later stage, if you feel that face unlock is not required for you, and then yes, you can remove completely face data from your phone. Now, learn how to do it. First, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings, then go to security, and here select face and try your current pattern for authentication. Now click on clear face data and clear it will give you a warning. Clearing will make face recognition unavailable. clear பண்ணிரவா clear அப்படின்னு கேட்குது. Okay, that is it is asking whether it is clear is confirm or not. Okay, just click on clear and yes, face unlock is now removed from your phone. Okay, if you want to use face unlock again, you go to re-register your face. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove face unlock from your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.